fall is a little more than I expected. In so deep I can barely see. Yeah, around me feels so heavy but depleted. But I find this.
Hello my beauties, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for watching and for spending some time with me today. I appreciate it. If this is your first time clicking on my video, thank you for watching. Please stay until the end. Thumbs up this video, subscribe, turn on your notification. You will be notified every time I upload a video. My YouTube channel is all about skincare right now. It's not too much makeup. And of course, if this is something that you do like and you're interested in, please subscribe. My website is called sassyover55.com. Great skincare tips for you guys, great tip sheets. If you're thinking of starting your skincare journey, great place to start. Plus, the loyalty and giveaway is open until December the 16th. And I'm going to be uploading or posting what the giveaway would be for this month. I haven't done it yet. It's a little bit late, but it's going to be up. Just stay tuned to sassyover55.com. And so today we are going to talk about some things I've added to my collection for the fall. I'm trying to get myself and my skin fall ready. I don't have to do anything much with my skin because my skin is completely cleared up. However, I want to highlight one particular product that I think you guys are going to definitely love. And this is called LANEIGE. I think that's what it is. You can find this product at Sephora. I've mentioned this before in another video in the past. And this is one of my beautiful featured products. It's also featured on sassyover55.com. If you are looking for your skin to be completely plumped and completely hydrated for life, this is the product for you. You can use this at night, and then when you wake up, your skin is going to feel so beautiful, so soft, like a baby's bum. You're going to see the skin transformation. I mean, in a matter of a week, your skin is going to transform with this product. It does come with a little wand as well. Rather than dipping your finger in the product, use a little wand, and you just need a little bit. A dime size is all you need. You can also use this during the day under your makeup to just keep your skin looking really hydrated, whether or not you have oily skin, dry skin combination, or whatever the case may be. This is a product for you. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you as well. Let's start with this lipstick I am wearing. This is from Radiance. And normally I don't wear lipsticks with this kind of iridescent kind of look to it. But I gotta tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this lipstick is fall ready, brown girl friendly, dark skin friendly. It is so beautiful. The name of this lipstick is going to be in the description box for you guys. I absolutely love it. And it's like a nude lipstick, but you've got this really soft iridescent look to it. And I went in with my, I think it's Night Moth lip liner from MAC. This is so pretty. When you look at the lipstick, you wouldn't think you will get this effect, but this is what you will get on your lips. And of course, you can go in with your lip liner if you want, or you can just wear it like this. This is so pretty. And you do have this slight ombre-ish look, and it's not too bold. It is just beautiful. And you know, Radiance is one of those underrated beauty brands, but the products are so good, very inexpensive, and you can buy these from your local beauty stores. Now, the name of this lipstick is going to be in the description box for you guys. I love it so much, absolutely love it. And next we're going to talk about this eyeshadow palette. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today, guys. This eyeshadow palette, this is from the dollar store. This is the little packaging right here. It came in the little packaging right here. This is from the dollar stores. It says eyes on the prize, and here it be. And I find that when you buy the eyeshadow palettes from the dollar store, you do get really good pigmentation. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I've used the gray. I used this glitter gray here in the corners of my eyes. And then I use the black just in the center to the end to smoke this out. You guys can see this. This is very, very pretty. From the dollar store, when I saw this, I thought to myself, this is fall ready. If you want to go a little bit more bold with this, go right ahead, but of course you guys know me, I just like to keep everything subtle, and it kind of matches my lipstick as well today. Really, really cute, very, very pretty, and you can play with this, and of course you can travel with this as well. Put this in your pocketbook, in your purse, you can do whatever you want. Very, very, very simple. And I've also showed you guys this one previously as well from the dollar store, and I find that the bargains are really good. This one was just about maybe $4 or $5. This one is, I think this must have been about $4 or $5, if that much. The colors are really, really pretty. Again, great for the fall. Very nice. And I love this dark color right there. And these two colors right here, the three, not two, but three colors, this pinky color, light gray and dark gray glitter colors are really, really pigmented. And I did not even go in with any eyeshadow primer today. I just went in with just a little bit of this on my eyes. Let me just try to open this for you quickly. And I'm just going to use a brush, and I'm just going to show you guys the pigmentation. I mean, look at that. This is so pretty. Very, very, very nice. I absolutely love that. I am going to be definitely wearing this for the fall, and also it comes with a brush on the inside. And listen, like I mentioned several times, I cannot bring myself to spend more than $4 for a palette. I'm sorry. Okay? However, I do have another palette here from Milani. I don't remember how much this one costs, but it's not too much. This is also featured on sassyover55.com, Beauty Editor's Pick. I mean, the colors are dynamite. The colors are beautiful. Again, great for the fall. I fell in love with this purple color right here. And the greens, this is just screaming fall to me. I mean, September, October, November, Christmas, January. I mean, you can go crazy with this palette. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this is from Milani. Cute packaging. It's just says Gilded Terra on the front. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous palette. Again, love the colors. Really, really nice. And you can definitely travel with this. So these two palettes are my recent purchase. And also from Black Radiance, I picked up their black eyeliner because I really, really, really love their brand. I'm sorry. There was something about this Black Radiance line that I really love so much. And again, the products are not very expensive. Let me just open this up for you guys quickly. And it's just a black eyeliner. That's what it is. And I do have the liquid one from them as well, which I really, really love. If I can get this out, would be really, really awesome. There we go. Black eyeliner. Very, very pretty. Black Radiance. Love that. Just in case you want to do some deep smokiness under the eyelashes in a waterline. Perfect. Black Radiance. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I also picked up from Black Radiance, this is their matte setting spray. They've got two kinds. They've got the glowing setting spray, and they do have the mattifying setting spray. I used this one on my face today. My face is completely mattified. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. Here we go from Black Radiance. Again, this is the matte setting spray. Okay, just mattifies everything. This is my face, guys. Okay, from Revlon, I picked up the this is the Blot powder, but I used this Blot powder on my highlights today, and I love it. It looks so cute. It looks so well finished. And normally I would use the Blot powder from MAC, but I really like this one. It is not a setting powder. It is a blot powder, but it works really, really well with my highlight today. Listen, makeup products can be multifunctional, okay? You multi-use for many things. And here it is right here. This is also featured on my website as Editor's Pick. Really, really pretty. You're gonna get such a beautiful finish with this. I mean, guys, look at my skin. Do you see my skin? It is just, my skin is beautiful. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It is beautiful. And also from L'Oreal, no, not also, next from L'Oreal Paris, this is from Revlon. This is Age Perfect Radiance Serum Foundation. I haven't tried this yet. I will be definitely coming back to do a makeup look using this product. And I mean, L'Oreal Paris, I think they're trying to improve the diversity of their colors, because, you know, I always find that sometimes the colors don't even match my skin. But, you know, I did this test in store and it fit really, really, really well. Of course, I'm just doing this on my hand, and of course my face obviously is a different shade. But it blends nicely on my skin. It gives me such a beautiful mattifying look. Love it. But again, it looked really good in store under their fancy lights. But when I'm sitting here with my ring light, you never know what this is going to look like, right? And of course, this is Almond number 120. And of course, this is the packaging right here, again from L'Oreal Paris. Now from Essence, I picked up a lip gloss. This is so cute though. This is a clear lip gloss. I've never ever seen anything like this before. And it's just a lip gloss, but it's like a lip shine. It is so pretty. Let me just go all the way to the end. You know the days where you just don't feel like going in with a lip gloss or a lip balm, you just put this on your lips and then you just blend it out. You may not be able to see it, and it gives you a lovely little shine. I've never actually seen anything like this before. Never used anything like this before as well. This is going to be my first time using this, but I do love the package. Very, very cute. Love that. Hope you guys can see. It's in a clay bottle, so it may not come across that bright to you guys on camera, but there it is. And I also picked up from Essence, this is a glow lip balm. There it is. It has a blue shade to it. There it is. And of course, you know, coming into the fall, you know, you're going to keep the lips moisturized, okay? Although it's blue and it feels really, really, really soft. Okay, you may not be able to see it. It's just a lip gloss. But there it is. It's blue. And again, this is from Essence. Love it. Getting myself fall ready. And again, my face is already completely cleared up, so I don't have to do anything fancy with my face. I'm just in the maintenance phase right now of everything that I've used to clear up my skin. You're going to find it all on the website. Okay. And I picked up a wallet. This is a beautiful wallet. Now, this can be used as a wristlet as well. I've had this wallet for about maybe, I don't know, 3 years. Okay, and I got this wallet from River Island in London, and I thought, you know what, we're getting into the fall, just get myself fall ready. And of course there are 2 sections in this wallet, and so what I love about this wallet is, this is my iPhone 13. My iPhone 13 fits comfortably in my wallet, and if you're going out in the evening, you can just use this as a wristlet, or you can just use this as a clutch. Okay, and it just holds everything, and it's just so pretty. And I just picked this up at a corner store here in Canada. Okay, you know, sometimes you're just walking the streets and something just catches your eyes, and you thought, okay, I'm going into the store, and there it is, and I absolutely love it. And it, again, my phone fits nicely in here, comfortably as ever. Very, very, very nice. Okay, good size, not too big. And again, you can just use this as a beautiful clutch, or you can just use this as just a wristlet. And then that's it. You can just keep it under your arm and just leave this around your wrist like that. So at least you're going to have that sense of security when you're carrying it. You know what I mean? Very, very, very nice. Love that. And last but not least, this is a face massager that I got from Amazon. Again, this is also featured on sassyover55.com. And I have been using this massager. It is so pretty. Oh my God. And here it is. You just turn it on, and then you give your skin gently massage. It is so beautiful, my God. And it feels so good on the skin. You can just massage the neck. I don't want to put this on my face because I'm wearing makeup. Oh my God, it feels so good on your skin. It feels beautiful, and I love the way it's shaped. It's very, very cute. You can again travel with this in your handbag, in a pocketbook, whatever you want to do. Take this with you on holidays to maintain your skincare routine. This is from Amazon, and I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything we talk about is going to be in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to leave it here for today. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!